Also, Marty was actually our first appliance in the office, and I owe it to her to kind of getting me on this path of, being a large part of my practice now. I'm treating people with sleep disorders. And
well, the sleep study, of course, showed that I did have moderate to severe sleep apnea, and they recommended the C-PAP, which I developed an intolerance for, never did get along with it very well. It's hard to sleep in. If you need to get up and go to the bathroom during the night, you have to take it off. You have to put it back on. It irritated my face. I probably have a bit of an allergy to latex. It's difficult to clean. It can be a little bit pricey to take care of because you have to buy new filters and tubing quite often. Well, it's totally different. There's really no comparison. The oral appliance is extremely small. The whole entire appliance fits inside my mouth. It comes in a very nice little case to store it in. So it's very, very small. It's wonderful to take on trips with you. You don't have to carry a big, bulky C-PAP machine. Very easy to clean. You use like an oral denture cleaner, like Polident or something. It's comfortable to wear to bed. You can get up in the night without ever taking it out of your mouth. You can talk with it in your mouth. You can get a drink of water with it in your mouth. You can sleep any direction you want to sleep. If you have sleep apnea, you need something to help you sleep at night so that you have a peaceful, long-term, uninterrupted sleep. So you most certainly feel much better the next day, more rested, more alert. If you have a partner that, in my case, even sleeps in the same house, my snoring was extremely loud, so it has improved everybody else's quality of life too, who might come to visit me. I do, and the brochures I hand out to people, I make sure has Dr. Gillum's name and address and contact information on it. And yes, Dr. Gillum's been a wonderful dentist to me for many, many years, long before I started with the sleep apnea problem. Overall, he has a wonderful facility here.
Thank you.